Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from Group 3 will present a teaching scenario regarding the use of Microsoft Word that we have created at PowerPoint. Previously, I will introduce member of our group, namely myself, Andi Alif S, Sulistina, Rizki Muthiah Alfiyanti, Nursharikha Aghniya Fortuna, and Cicci Nabilah Azzahrah. Let me go straight to Rizki Muthiah Alfiyanti to explain slide 1.
Okay, well, I will explain the potential to be achieved in this learning. The first is understanding the use menu in Microsoft Word, which includes way to add comment and correction in Microsoft Word files. The second is the achievement of knowledge of Microsoft Word menu. With knowledge, can use the new comment and track change menu. The third is to train the ability to analyze grammar and found error in sentence. This can also be achieved by knowing encourage word, phrase, sentence, and letters so that it can increase the ability to analyze. I think that's all. Thank you. The next will be continued by Andi Alif. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. I'll explain slide 3. In slide 3, there are commentable material and track changes that have been available material link and example. Please read and understand the material below on how to add comment and correction to Microsoft Word. You can see both image below. This is an example of adding correction and comment to Microsoft Word. You can learn from the link that we provide. This is a link way to add comment to the Microsoft Word menu, and please pay attention to the sample image result after adding new comments, and way to provide correction can also be seen in this link. As well as example image of correction. Furthermore, the fourth slide will be explained by our friend Cicci Nabilah Azzahrah.
Okay, thanks for the opportunity. In this fourth slide, I will explain the individual tasks that will be worked on. Before working on this individual task, you must follow the instructions that have been listed on the PowerPoint. The instructions are: first, please copy this text to Microsoft Word below with font Times New Roman size 12. Second, add comments with the 8 comment menu according to what you want to ask or you do not understand. And add correction with the track change menu if you find the wrong word or grammar or even letter. The due date of this task is 11 p.m. where this task will serve as a condition of present today. After the task is complete, please gather the task in the WhatsApp group. The text of the tasks to be done is below. Please click the picture and do according to the previous instruction. Well, I think that's all in this fourth slide. The next slide will be explained by our friend Sulistina.
Thanks for the opportunity. My name is Sulistina. This time I will explain the fifth slide, that is our class assessments. The assessment is student presence in learning, student activity during learning, progress in learning or competence, and the form of work that has been done by students. The first assessment, which is based on the student presence in learning or where today, is based on the collection of assignments. So, for those who do not collect assignments, it will be considered not to attend classes. Second, student activity during learning. What is meant here is students are expected to be active in every learning. For example, actively answer if given questions, answer teacher questions, and express opinions. Third, progress in meaningful learning or competence regarding material understanding today. Fourth, the form of task that has been done by students, whether the task is right or wrong. Well, I think it's quite this 5 slide. Next, I leave it to Nursharikha Aghniya Fortuna. Thank you.
Okay, thanks for the opportunity. Well, this time I will explain the 6th slide that contains additional notes for students. First, do your job well and correctly so that the value and knowledge obtained can be maximized. Second, comment on words or phrases that you feel there is something that needs confirmation or that needs to be asked. It can be question, a request, or statement. Third, correct each word arrangement, or even letter by using the menu that has been described. Corrections can be just capital letter, subjects, grammar, and more. Fourth, work on time according to due date. Work according to the specified time so as not to be given the value of marks. Fifth, next week, your datas will be examined in virtual meeting. And the last, after that you have to explain the new knowledge you have gained in this day and this task. You are free to explain the new knowledge you gain from our materials and tasks today. I think that's enough for this 6th slide, and I leave it to Andi Alif.
Well, that was our explanation about the use of new comments menu and instructions in the Microsoft Word menu. We hope the student can easily understand how to use Microsoft Word as a learning medium in this modern day. So that's the explanation of the scenario that we've created. If there are mistakes, please forgive. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.